Solid figures are everywhere around us. In this lesson, we'll learn what solid figures are and we'll explore some common types of solid figures. Solid figures are three-dimensional objects. What this means is that solid figures have a width, a depth, and a height. For example, look at your computer, laptop, phone, or whatever else you are using to view this lesson. Notice that it has a width, a depth, and a height. This makes you think that the solid figures are probably quite common in the environment around us. And you are right. Anything with those three dimensions is a solid figure. And because we live in a three-dimensional world, these figures are all around us. A rectangular prism is a solid figure that has six sides called faces that are rectangles. This can be thought of as many names for something that has the shape of a cardboard box. Rectangular prisms show up all around us. Some examples: cubes are just a special case of rectangular prisms. Cubes are solid figures that have six faces that are all squares of the same size. Since a square is a rectangle, a cube has six faces that are all rectangles. A prism has two-dimensional shapes that form a three-dimensional shape called faces. The top and bottom, which are triangles, are bases. The three rectangles are called lateral faces. So, a triangular prism has five faces consisting of two triangular bases and three A cone is a solid figure that has a circular face on one end called the base, and a point at the other end where these sides meet. I'm pretty sure we have all enjoyed an ice cream cone at one point in our life. The cone that you put the ice cream is an example of a cone, and what a delicious example. Some other examples could include a megaphone, a TV tent, or a birthday hat. We see that a parking cone is another example of a cone. A pyramid is a solid figure that has a polygon at its base on one end and a triangular faces of meeting at a single point on the other end. Many of us have heard of the Great Pyramids of Egypt. These are a perfect example of a pyramid in the world around us. A sphere is a solid figure that is round and has the shape of a ball. For example, a basketball is a sphere. Another example of a sphere is the earth we are standing on. When we look at the globe, we see that the earth is three-dimensional and has the shape of a ball. Therefore, the earth is a A cylinder is a solid figure that has two circular bases and one curved side. Remember when I explained what a cone is? Well, a cylinder is similar to a cone, except that rather than only one circular base and a point on the other end, there are circular bases on both ends connected by some examples of cylinders are tubes, G-stumps, poles, and cans. See how beautiful these solid figures are? I bet you like it too. Shout it out! We love solid figures!